Hi, my name is Tiffany. I get to show you the cutest Christmas suite. Sweet Stockings is packed with adorable illustrations, traditional Christmas colors, fun felt texture, and so much more. And if you're an animal lover, I'm about to show you something you are going to love. Let's start with the Sweet Little Stockings bundle. The stamp set has 3 different stocking designs and 3 different cuddly critters ready to be stamped and colored. Or fill your stockings with gifts and candy. This stamp set is perfect for both cards and tags, with greeting sized perfectly for both. The coordinating die set cuts out all the stamp imagery. It also includes a tag shape that can be used to make interactive projects, where the tag tucks inside a stocking. The stockings dies also feature detailed dies to create greenery, holly, and stitched accents to add to your stockings. This bundle is loaded with sweetness and versatility. If you like the bundle, check out the Coordinating Designer Series paper. This 12x12 paper was designed with Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive, Evening Evergreen, Pool Party, Bumblebee, Basic Black, and Cinnamon Cider. It features the cutest golden retriever wrapped in lights, a sweater-wearing corgi, cats in gift boxes, cats with reindeer ears, and all sorts of fuzzy animals snuggled in stockings. The reverse side has 6 really usable patterns. There's also an entire sheet of colorful stockings that can be cut out with the stockings dies. To create cute textural cuffs and toes on your stockings, we're offering Jolly Felt. This comes in a pack of 4 6x12 sheets in Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive, and White. These sheets also work with our dies and add such a soft and realistic finishing touch to any project. At Stampin' Up!, we aim to give you everything you need for a great coordinated crafting experience. So, in this suite, we're offering these matte decorative dots. They come in a sheet of 180 in 4 colors: Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive, Evening Evergreen, and Bumblebee, and in 5 different shades per color. They come in 3, 4, and 5mm and have 3 of each, making this a great Christmas staple embellishment. And to tie it all together, a darling 3/8 of an inch Pool Party striped grosgrain ribbon. It comes on a spool of 10 yards, which is great for wrapping up the cutest gifts and treats. 'Tis the season to create warm and fuzzy feelings. So, whether you love animals or Christmas or both, this suite does so much. For more details, contact your demonstrator or visit StampinUp.com. Happy stamping!